Hello there, this is Finfornier. Here's from Mass Effect 2007. The screen recorder sort of acted up when I started it, so I have like a 50% confidence rating that it's actually recording. So yay, having to potentially redo this. Woo. Oh well, it's the last of the Hades Gamma cluster of Doom. I forget what the last system's name is, but we'll see soon enough once the loading screen here is done. And another loading screen now. Yay, the galaxy map. Similar to in one of Isaac Asimov's books, where the villains were trying to track down the group from the Terminus thing. Antaeus, apparently. Alright, so Antaeus is the last one. Or Antaeus, I don't know. There's some variants, whether it's the AE is an I or an A sound, but yeah, whatever though. So, a gecko, I don't know, whatever that one is. During the initial survey of the Antaeus system, only a single flyby probe was spared for the small scorched world of a gecko. It revealed the planet unusually rich in heavier elements given its size. The gecko is a standard terrestrial with a thin atmosphere of krypton and xenon. Its crust is mainly composed of magnesium with deposits of cobalt and other heavy metals. Due to extremely rough, cratered terrain, starships are discouraged from landing. Orbital period, 0.1 Earth years. Radius, 2147 kilometers. Day length, 59.9 Earth hours. Atmospheric pressure, 0.27 Earth atmospheres. Surface temperature, a nice and toasty 346 Celsius. 3 times boiling point. Well, no, not quite. Absolute 0 in Celsius is negative 271.1, or 2, what was it? Either way, it's warm. Surface gravity, 0.25. So not triple, but like, let's see, whatever. Quite a fair bit more than you'd need. Here's the second planet from the Doom star, Antaeus. Edmos is a standard hydrogen-helium gas giant with traces of methane in its atmosphere. If Trebin's terraforming is successful, it is expected that a helium-3 fuel refining facility for the system will be set up here. It might be delayed for a few years after the Reapers, I'd suppose. Orbital period, 7.8 Earth years. Radius, 36,826 kilometers. Day length, 13.7 Earth hours of Doom. Alright, and the next one is Ploba, or Ploba probably. Ploba is the second and by far the larger of Antaeus' 2 gas giants. Active scans by survey ships have returned tantalizing indications of massive solid structures deep within the atmosphere, too regular in pattern to be anything natural. Hey, that's a Paley's Watch thing. Of course it must be natural, you just have to keep flipping the coin indefinitely, right? Oh, whatever. Anyway, some believe Ploba is a Jupiter brain, a planet-sized supercomputer of Doom. Adherents of this theory have fruitlessly beamed signals toward the sunken megastructures, hoping to get the machine's attention. Others believe that an ancient spacefaring race disposed of their weapons of war in a video game by dumping them into the planet. The last attempt to reach and salvage Plova's deep anomalies went tragically wrong and ended with a crew of 12 being trapped and crushed in the gas giant's lower atmosphere of Doom. Orbital period, 20.4 Earth years. And radius, 74,221 kilometers. Day length, 17.3 Earth hours. Alrighty, so there's that. And let's see here. The next one along this orbit line is this one, I guess. Trebin. That'll be the one we can land on, right? Yep. Trebin is a modest terrestrial world with an atmosphere composed of nitrogen and argon. Its surface is mainly composed of nickel with deposits of silver. Trebin's environment is relatively mild, but the scarcity of water or similar enabling substances has prevented the development of any biosphere. Exogeny Corp recently performed a test impact of a single water ice comet into the surface, the first step of a long-term plan to thicken the atmosphere and introduce water to the environment. A survey team is on the surface, monitoring the geological and meteorological effects of the test impact. Most of the water released is still in the form of atmospheric vapor. but thick cloud banks have formed. There is every indication that this arid world will soon see its first rain. The survey team's progress, as they say in Canada, has been hampered by frequent mechanical or computer failures in their GPS satellites. Orbital period 1.1 Earth years, radius 5,489 kilometers, day length 41.8 Earth hours, atmospheric pressure 0.84 Earth atmospheres, surface temperature 8 Celsius, surface gravity 0.86 G. I will land there again. I've played around here before, so it'll be an again thing, right? This would be the next one. Vemal, I don't know, Vemal is an enormous terrestrial world. It looks like we can survey it. There we go, rare earth. Whoop-de-doo. Vemal is an enormous terrestrial world of mixed rock and ice with an atmosphere of methane and ethane. Its frozen surface is mainly composed of calcium with deposits of iron. Because of noxious surface gases, explorers are warned to use extreme caution of doom. Orbital period 37.5 Earth years, radius 10,314 pi, 10,314 kilometers. Day length 36.3 Earth hours, atmospheric pressure 1.0 Earth atmospheres exactly, well, two sig figs. Significant figures, sig figs. Surface temperature negative 61 Celsius, surface gravity 1.1 G. Alrighty then. So there's Vemal, and the last one is way out yonder, Hunidor, Hunidor is a moderately sized ice world with an extremely thin atmosphere composed of krypton and xenon. Hopefully no xenon raiders of doom from X Beyond the Frontier though. Its frozen surface is unusually smooth, suggesting widespread repaving by cryovolcanic processes, though no such activity is currently evident. Orbital period 90.5 Earth years, radius 3,686 kilometers, day length 48.2 Earth hours, atmospheric pressure 0.2 Earth atmospheres, surface temperature negative 202 Celsius, surface gravity 0.22 G. Alright, so let's go to Trebin, right, and see what's here, because I don't remember. It looks pretty though, right? Let's see how pretty the thresher moths are, if there are any. It's like someone's planted those things everywhere, right? Ashley and Garrus, the two with the snippy whiffles of doom, or anything that wants to get in front of them. Let's bring on some doom, if we can. More doom for everybody. And extra crunchy. It's amazing the thresher moths can damage the suspension, but not that. Alright, onward to finding what to do here. We already surveyed that there, so okay. Debris anomaly excavation site research base anomaly. Okay, so we'll go here, look here again, see if I missed any locker things, and then go to that. To the left. Sometimes to the left. Usually to the right. 1776. It's to the right. Ever to the right. Ever to the left. That sort of thing. Although, when going through mazes, there's usually the left-hand rule, although you can pick either side for that, just as long as you keep to one side. You'll go all around the edge, the perimeter of the maze. But if you switch up, then you're gonna hopefully either have seen a pathway, or you're gonna be just confusing yourself because you're not going along the edge anymore. You're going some random location, and then you'll get stuck doubling back eventually, depending on a few things, but usually something along those lines. Oh look, there's a red dot. We need to bring some doom. Yay, doom time. Alright, so what isn't here? Looks like there's the... okay, well, I don't see anything yet. So somewhere... wake them up. Hello there. Anyone here want some doom? Free doom for everybody. Come on. There we go. We got something crispy. Come on. Something's red on the radar. It needs to go orange now. Hello. Gonna whittle you away if we have to. Ah, yep, here we go. Hello, guys. And would you like to know the true meaning of extra crispy? It happens to be this. There you go. Think we got him, Commander? Anyone gonna say that? Anyone? Anyone? Bueller? Oh well. Let's save. 345. Yay. And alright then. Yay, no environmental hazard of doom. Salvage the probe time. Woo. Alrighty, manual bypass. Yay. Doom. Doom. Yeah. Always more doom. Doom. Yeah. Come on, really? Oh, the joy. Just gotta find where to go. Long time to get nowhere. Come on. I hate this. Should be just a clear shot. This is how jaywalking works. You think you're safe and then suddenly doom. Alright, there's all that crap. Woo. Let's see here. Might go and increase the stats of crap we have, but let's go first to wherever's next. The anomaly that hasn't been turned into a name yet is somewhere over yonder. Let's run over that satellite. I didn't check that though. See if there's any blue circles to gather. You'd think with all the equipment in there we could at least take the radio, maybe the CD player. But nope, nothing. No circles. Nope. Now 9 months until it gets a new vehicle. Oh well. Here we go. Yay, extra country time. Come on. Onward to seeing if we get some fun with the Thresher Maw. This looks like a good place for a Thresher Maw. You know, would violin music be a Thresher Maw's favorite type because of Yo-Yo Ma? And what happens if Yo-Yo Ma starts telling Yo Mama jokes? Does your mama think it's funny? Oh, this looks like a great place to have satellites. Probably this thing needs some doom. Are we here to provide it? Well, all those things have stuff to gather. Okay, discovery. This device is transmitting tight beam signals into geosynchronous orbit. This disrupts the survey team's GPS satellites, causing them to crash nearby. Yay, we stopped it. Now, is there stuff to gather from each of these satellites, or do they just exist as decorations? I have a sinking feeling I know the answer, but let's check them just in case. Just in case, because it's nice to get more free stuff. Certainly better than getting less. More stuff, more. I mean, seriously. This stuck itself into a hill and didn't go crunchy. There's one up there too. I think I looked at it. Or did I? Can we jump? Am I stuck? Crap, I'm stuck. Sort of. Now I'm doing that Cotton Eye Joe's dance. Okay. Let's get out of here before we get stuck in the terrain or fall through to the infinity below the surface of the map in the game. Because that's always fun. Alright, to these things here, which also, well, they have names, so I have been to them before. I wonder if this is the planet that has that thingamajig on it. There's like a sphere, but if you get to the consort and do the side quest thing, you get a key for something that she doesn't know, or says she doesn't know what it is. So I'm thinking this might be the planet, although I should probably watch the 10 Things You've Missed thing again. I don't remember the channel, maybe Fishy or something with a Z. They do some of the stuff that I've looked up But yeah, there's one that has a sphere. It has like a little ancient aliens caveman thing or something like that. So yeah, I think it might be this world that has that stuff. So let's go along the edge and be edgelords. So, you know, if interstellar empires existed and someone just bought or conquered all the outer worlds of every system that they happen to come across, would they then be edgelords because they're lording over the edge of systems? I know, that's just so lame, right? Oh well. I can only do my best. Unfortunately, it's not good enough. Yay. This looks like a great place for a session also. Fortunately, no Rally Rory T-Rex sounds from Jurassic Park from 1993. Looks like there's an ore deposit though. Let's see if it's one of the few things we do need. Or if it's just more wasted time and effort like everything else in my life. Because that's always fun. Who knows, maybe the anomaly thing will be the floating sphere thing of Doom that's like similar to the Firewalker one. Okay, will this also be a Thresher Maw? There's going to be a Thresher Maw here, isn't there? Let's save before we have to. You can do them if you want to. Just doing it. Oh yeah. Doing it for more of it. Yeah. Well, nothing's attacking at this very nanosecond anyway, and those look to be the encampment things. Let's get it. See if there's anything worth getting here. Just minerals. Oh, wonderful. A mineral, the name of which I can't say. But we get a cake of yellow here. Is the cake a lie, though? Wonderful. Wonderful. Another thing. Alright, so... and let's do function key 6. The joy. So there's this stuff. Where does it show that we are? We're over here. And there's an anomaly there. Now let's check out this camp. It's right over yonder. Just look at it again. Do we have a Thresher Maw? This looks like if there's going to be one, it's going to be here. Almost certainly. But this feels like it's the right planet for that anomaly with the floating sphere. The prothean Beta sphere or something that looks like it's from the movie sphere. But it is kind of funny, like in Mass Effect, was it 3? No, it was still just Mass Effect 2, wasn't it? Where after you complete that mission, then suddenly at your coffee table in your captain's quarters, you still have the floating sphere right in your quarters. It's like, you're keeping this there? Really? What? This is a priceless find for one, and you don't know if it's going to be like this thing from the movie sphere, you know? So yeah, I think I must have been here. All the things are empty, or at least not able to be opened. Like, there's no button to open them, so they could just be decorative. But after you open them, they are just decorative. And... oh, there's something here.
According to these data logs, the survey team unearthed some kind of alien technology.
It was of Doom. Yeah, that usually is the case anyway. Like, we found something, it was Doom. It's always Doom. Anything here? Can we go to the other Mako and start using it? I mean, we've got to have hot wiring skills. My character's an engineer. We could at least figure it out. Maybe it's a smart technology thing that doesn't allow hot wiring. But then, of course, that's only as smart as the computer attached to all the stuff. You could probably still get it to work somehow. So, I think we looked at both of those now. So let's go over here and see if it's the floating sphere of doom thing. Oh, that was brilliant. Just testing the suspension again. Oh, the suspense. Over the mountains and through the doom, the doom, the doom, the doom. Oh, the doom. Doom, the doom, doom, the doom, doom, the doom, the doom, doom. Yeah. Come on. Where are you? Oh, yeah, I'm gonna look that up. If I can't find it, I'm gonna look it up and go back here before the final missions. Because I want to get that done. It does seem like it should be a cool thing, but it's like, it was just, you know, like the text journey type thing, of course. Or something like that, right? where it's just you got taken up by a prothean thing, and then a Reaper shows up and made you crispy. It's like, oh, why'd they do that? Alright, here's the waypoint marker. We're almost to it. What'll it be? What can it be now? It's just another satellite. Really? This can't be right. So this isn't it, I guess. Just another piece of crap. Alright, fine. And, okay. Just edge it tomorrow if we need to without having to save for it. There we go. Terrain insignia. No signs of any survivors. Pod is empty except for a small tattered flag with the Nimines colony insignia. Cool. Alright. Well, I looked a fair bit anyway. Maybe there's more. I looked around that edge, and we started around here. So let's get up here, and then I'm going to go around to that side, see if there is anything more around the last portion of the map we didn't look in. Oh, that felt like it was a thresher maw, didn't it? Or at least something went crazy for a moment. Didn't that look like it had the shocking effect of the thresher maw's movement? Okay, it's a groundbreaking discovery of doom. Doom, doom, doom. Well, here's this edge anyway. Alright, now onward to here. And see if that'll be useful to any degree if we can see anything. Oh, come on. Up this hill. Let's see what we can see at the top. If there's anything of value. It's a hill. More hills. The hills are alive with the sound of doom. Anything? Makes me think of Colorado.
You need to turn back, Commander. You're going beyond the range of the operational area.
Oh, shut up. Come on. Why must that be a thing? How is it an operational area? Oh well, gonna keep going around this side. See if there's anything of value. As I said before. Crunch. Oh, there goes our tire. We can drop from orbit, but we just have to time it right? Something like that. Reach terminal velocity with the mass effect field or some other crap. Is this gonna be where it is? Looks something like this, right? Where that floaty thing is.
You need to turn back, Commander. You're going beyond the range of the operational area.
Are you the commander or... How is there an operational area? How? How? What does that even make sense of anything? Shouldn't I be able to travel anywhere I want with this stupid thing? Like, who comes up with that? Of course, it's just a game mechanic. Oh well. There's that. Seems like there's nothing. Maybe maybe it isn't the world that has the prothean crap on it. Or the... you know, the floaty thing anyway. I don't think I got it in this run yet, but it's somewhere. I don't know if we can talk to the consort about it afterward. But yeah, let's see if I can find it on the thing and I'll go back here later. But for now, let's save. Oh, come on, don't freeze. I think I want to keep 345 for a bit. There we go. Overwriting that. Come on. Okay, going away now. And to the next cluster next time, I guess, unless I do get confirmation it's somewhere here. Take care, and try to not go crazy.